Okay, after learning the category type of rebar inside the reinforced concrete member, let's draw the shape inside the member. Okay, everyone start drawing now. You have 2 minutes. Some classmates have already finished. This proves that our rebar investigation is effective. Once you have the shape of the rebars in your mind, make the drawing easier. Take a picture after you finish. Okay, now, let's take a look. Some of our classmates have finished, and some classmates are still drawing. For those who didn't finish, let's take a look together. Enjoy it. The rebars drawn by this classmate are not so good. Not so precisely, but the shape is roughly like this. Stirrup, bent-up reinforcement, and straight reinforcement. Why are you drawing the shape of the rebar? Because this is the main content of this class. To calculate the rebar cutting length. For the rebar cutting calculation, like the classmate drawn the shape of the rebar. For the cutting length of the rebar, do we use a ruler to measure the cutting length directly? Is it? It's not, right? Why didn't we use such a method? Here, we have found that rebar has a phenomenon like this. When the rebar bends, it will be like this. The inner diameter will be shortened, just like our wrists, and its radius became shorter. When the circumference inside becomes shorter, the outer circumference will grow, while the center line stays unchanged. Because of such characteristics, for the rebars, when we make the shape of the rebar, like bending the bent-up reinforcement, make the straight reinforcement. The straight reinforcement has a hook and the bent-up reinforcement will bend. That is, there is a curved section. Then its length will change according to such phenomena. After such changes, its actual size, the actual cutting length will be different from the dimensions in our drawing. That is why you can't use the dimensions in the drawing. When you are cutting the rebars, you can't cut according to the dimensions in our drawing directly. Otherwise, the error will be very large.